We're in the highly desirable Jefferson community in Richmond Hill, and we're touring an 1845 square foot townhome with 3 bedrooms and 4 bathrooms. This is a family-oriented community in a top-rated school zone. It's also conveniently located near public transit, restaurants, groceries, gyms, banking, shopping centers, parks and walking trails for all of your life's necessities. We're in front of the home, and this beautiful interlocking allows for 3 parking spots plus a spot in the garage. Entering the home, you have a double closet on your right and beautiful wainscoting in the hallway. It flows perfectly into the open concept dining room and living room. This floor has hardwood flooring and 9-foot ceilings. Combined with a south-facing backyard, it feels so bright in here throughout the entire day. Off of the dining room is the kitchen. It has plenty of cupboard and counter space, and it has a backsplash on both sides. It has stainless steel appliances, including the stove with a double oven, which means you can cook 2 separate things at 2 separate temperatures. And above it is a microwave with a built-in hood fan. Then we have a large French door fridge with a freezer below, a double sink, and a built-in dishwasher right beside it. I love the layout of this home. The kitchen eat-in area flows right onto the backyard deck. Here's where you can barbecue, and look at this lovely sitting area under the covered pergola. Once again, this is the most desirable south-facing direction for your backyard. Coming back inside, we pass by the living room and dining room. Just look at the size of this room. Right now they have it set up to seat 6 people, but you could easily see how it could fit 12 or more people for special occasions. Up to the 2nd floor, the hardwood flooring continues, and this is a split bedroom layout, meaning the primary bedroom is in the back and there's 2 bedrooms in the front. Both bedrooms are the same width, and this one has a king-size bed with enough room for a dresser or a desk. Right beside it is the 2nd floor laundry room. It's very convenient, and it was renovated with a new washer and dryer in 2023. Beside it is the 4-piece bathroom equipped with a tub that the 2 bedrooms share. And if you love storage, there isn't just one linen closet, there's a second one over here. Can we agree that you could never have too much storage? And in the back of the home is the primary bedroom. It's a big, bright room with a walk-in closet, and look at the size of this 5-piece ensuite bathroom. It has a large double vanity, a standing shower, and a soaker tub. Heading back down, the powder room is perfectly tucked away from the living space. It was professionally renovated in 2023, and it's stunning. We're down in the basement. It was professionally renovated in 2023 with an office over here, a gym, and a family room with built-ins below the TV. And look at this modern 3-piece bathroom with a glass shower. It's gorgeous. And for storage lovers, this is a large closet which doubles as the gym mirror, and right beside it is this large storage room. When you want to get some fresh air, you're a 1-minute walk away from amazing ravines, walking trails, and parks. Live your best life right here at 9 London Pride Drive.